A profit and loss account, or P&L, is a primary financial statement showing a business's revenue and expenses over a specific period. Accountants often call this an income statement. It tells the story of whether a company is actually making money or losing it. The final result is called net income. This is the profit left over after every single bill has been paid. These four categories help business owners track their efficiency and identify exactly where their money is being spent. While the P&L shows movement over a period, the balance sheet acts like a snapshot of what the company owns and owes right now. Comparing P&L statements across different quarters helps managers spot trends and prepare for seasonal changes in their business. This classic saying reminds us that while the P&L shows accounting profit, it is always important to monitor your actual cash flow. Learning to read these statements is a key step in financial literacy. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about your money.